So guys, as you guys can see, I'm trying to dig out this bamboo. I actually wanted to leave it, but I'm actually not satisfied with the bamboo because the roots is just going everywhere. The root is just growing everywhere. So I decided to just dig it out. So I removed all the stones on the side, and this is what I'm dealing with. So I'm gonna try. It's gonna take me a lot of work. I'm not gonna finish this one today, but if I can do something and then just keep on doing little by little to the end of this week to see if I can dig everything out. This is what we're dealing with. Trying to dig this thing out. It's much more better. I have enough stones. Maybe when I dig everything out, I'll just put stone so that everything will be stone here. Will be much more better for the kids to play. And also if you want to do barbecue, you can easily put your barbecue pot here. So yeah, wish me luck. But this is it. It's so difficult. But you know what? I'm determined to do it. So I wanted to dig this out myself, but I couldn't because it is way deeper. So I decided to call a company that know how to dig this thing, bamboo. So they came today, and that is what is going on right now. They're helping to dig everything out. And yeah, this is a whole lot of work. It's like really buried deep in the ground, so they have to actually dig everything out, and that's a whole lot of work. And so the guy who dig it out, it was so kind, and he helped me to also get rid of, you guys know, the old stones that I used to have that I put right in the corner there. He helps me kind of clear that one, and then he also helps to buy me a sand, and which I have to bring the sand in front of the house and back of the house. He put it for me in front of the house, and I have to transfer the sand back into the house. So that is what is going on. Just trying to dig everything out, make sure I get all the roots of the bamboo, everything out, so that I wouldn't have bamboo spreading off again. So this is what has been going on. And so you guys can see the thing that the guy used to get rid of the bamboo was so big it couldn't pass in the door. So I have to remove the heck. We have to remove the gates so that he can enter. So this is what things are looking like right now. He's clearing up, so this is what the hold is looking like. It's quite deep, you know. It looks like the hole is not deep. It's quite deep. You need a lot of sand to fill this. So yeah, and I'm really grateful that he decided to buy me a sand. You guys can see I kind of help him also because just to make things faster, and my hands were looking really dirty. And yeah, so now everything is kind of clear up. He also take along the mess, the dirty of the excess thing of the bamboo, because he took it along. I paid extra for that one, and he take that along. So now I have this big hold which I have to fill in with sand. But I'm going to show you guys other videos of me trying to, I think I didn't record the video of me with the sand trying to fill things up. I didn't have, because I was doing it and I didn't have the time to make. But you guys can see this is the sand. So I put some of the sand on the hold, and as you guys can see, I put some of the sand close to the store because the sand was really much. So what I'm going to do is I want to put stone all over where the bamboo was. I want to put stone on top of that, and just to see. So this is what things are looking like. A lot of sun in the garden right now, but very soon everything is going to close. So I'm just a little bit tired, like just transporting the sand from the front of the house to the back of the house. I had so much pain the next day on my body, and I couldn't do anything, and I was really tired. So the next day I was just kind of chilling in the backyard. You guys can see the stones I used to have in that corner. He took everything out for me and he threw them away. So this is what the garden is looking like right now. I know these things are not really cleared, but this is what things are looking like. So far so good. So as you guys can see, now we have laid stone, but I'm going to continue, so stay tuned for more videos.